So Mary Kay contacted me and said my trailer's ready. So we're gonna go and check it out and see how it looks. Oh my. Wow.
Different, eh?
That is quite different.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's a thing of beauty right there. Holy crap.
You see, we did a bunch of changes, right? I took a lot of crap off that was on this table, right? The axle and the support on the bottom. And I was thinking, okay, the only thing we're going to be reusing is just the top bit. But then you can change it too, because it's just bolt on, right? It just bolt on, so you can say, for instance, if you decided you don't want this top bed anymore, you want something else on top, you can just take these 4 bolts out and here these 2, and then the whole top bed comes off and you can just have something else on top. So I just wanted to make sure this was going to be a bolt-on item on this frame, because this frame I built it so I don't think you'll ever come back for repair.
You even put a handle on it.
Yeah, because
That's
you know,
nice.
I had it finished and I said, you know, there's always going to be situations that you're like looking for to grab it or something, and I thought not all the way to the ground, just like this, and then bring it to your bike, and then, you know,
Ah, beautiful.
have it done like that, right? So then, as you see, I try to make maximum clearance for underneath for your path, right?
Yeah.
Look. And
Oh yeah, that's beautiful.
right? You have got a clear path underneath, all the way starting from just like maybe 8 inches from behind your bike,
Yeah.
right? Because I had to work with this. Then another thing is the receiver, I put them in a larger tube. In case you ever decide that you want the tongue to be longer,
Yeah.
you just put a little extension in here in that same hole, like we can make it just extended.
Like
That's in case
It's just a 2-inch thing that'll go in there,
it
right?
fits in a 2-inch receiver, right?
Yeah.
This is like fits in a 2-inch trailer hitch. This thing.
Well, let me get my bike off and we'll try it out.
Yeah.
Okay. So just point it at me. Oh, I gotta turn this. I gotta turn this the right side, but
You want to turn it around now?
yeah.
Or you just want to keep it that way? Yeah.
Also move this whole plate down a little bit.
Yeah, if you have all these adjustments.
So here we go. It looks really good. I know the trailer's not level, but Jos knows that I'm going to put bigger tires on there, so we will level it out. And I can also adjust that thing over there.
Yeah.
We get a crowd.
The whole neighborhood is here.
Oh, say that again?
Okay, but I want you to try it. Just take the roughest trail you can find. Yeah, I want to see how it ends up, like how it holds up. I don't think you have an issue anymore.
I got some pretty rough trails I can try.
You're going away. How?
You're on the spot.
Say something clever.
We hope
Okay,
Yeah.
so this weird thing happens. You get talking away and everything's just hunky-dory, and then as soon as the camera gets turned on, your tongue starts to tie itself in a knot, and you think, whoa,
Yeah, what am I going to say?
this thing happens. It happens to everybody. It happens to me, it happens to Alicia.
Yeah.
I can see it in Yos's face as soon as I put the camera on him.
Not really. I used to act.
He's got dirt on his face.
So
Yeah. He's
Used to act?
comfortable with it.
I used to act as well. I used to do a lot of improvisation.
You
but-
still do it all the time. We see you do it.
All right, I'm gonna go so you can get back to work. And oh yeah, so Yos is trying to get me to take all this stuff with him or
Well,
with me.
This not, but of course the other collection, if you want to. That came off the. Oh yeah, you get your.
Well, we're here on the Bridge of Insanity. I stopped because something was feeling wrong with the steering of the ATV. The trailer's working great. No issues at all. It's not making any weird noises. It's not hitting anything that it usually hits. But anyway, there's something wrong with the steering. It was not working very well. Anyway, you can see right there, it's broken right off there. I'm not sure what you call that. So, what I wanted to do, what I told Yoss is I could just leave him the ATV now. He said, no, he's got some work to do over the next couple of days. But it's pretty much undrivable the way it is. I'm not even sure if I'm supposed to be driving it the way it is with that broken part there. And I'm about halfway to the cabin, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drive back out. I might leave the trailer here somewhere. I'll drive back out and just take it over there and leave it with them. Because I do not think I can use it the way it is. Certainly not for hauling firewood or anything like that. Happy Wednesday. He's gonna laugh when he sees me driving back up with the ATV. This is my life. See this part here? This thing that's hanging on here? Look what just happened over there. It fell off. It's just hanging there now. Here we are. Walking back in. Going quite a bit slower. Yoss said he could fix that part while I waited, but I just want to get the whole thing fixed. So I said to him, take as long as you want. Like if it's a couple of weeks or whatever. I'm probably putting a lot of pressure on him. Probably not fair of me to do. I'm getting kind of desperate. I considered going to town and grabbing something because I'm walking in with nothing right now. I thought, well, if I walk in with something, that would make a lot of sense. I don't want to carry anything in my hands. That gets really tiring. If I'd had my backpack, I definitely would have gone in. Would have gone for like a case of beer or something like that. Trip's a little different for the dogs this time. We're going a lot slower. I think they like that. My neighbors are coming up in a few weeks to do a bridge maintenance weekend, which will be nice. Honestly, I think if we just get this part out of the water, we'll be doing really well. But I think they want to replace this whole section. So when I'm walking, I often find things like this and wonder, what is that from? Maybe when Yoss watches this video, he'll know. What a good looking trailer. Got grease on it. Ugh. Not that time, girls. So I'm without an ATV for a couple weeks possibly, which makes it a little awkward because Elisa's coming on Wednesday and she's going to stay here for a week. Today's Friday. And usually when she comes, we bring in a bunch of groceries. She makes up a meal plan. We eat a lot better when she's here. Hello. We eat a lot better when she's here. She takes the time to do special things that I usually don't take the time to do. But that's alright, we'll figure out something. we'll have to hike in and hike out. And I don't know how we'll bring in some beer and stuff. I mean, we don't really need the beer. Yeah, we really need the beer. Anyway, this video, which started out as a... It didn't start out as anything. It wasn't even a video until my trailer broke, and then it became a 2-part video, and now it's a 3-part video while I wait for my ATV to come back. Anyway, Yoss did an amazing job on that trailer. I'm so happy about that. That's going to be so nice to use, especially when I get the proper tires on it. It's good. That thing's going to last forever. I'm so happy. And in maintaining the way the functionality that it did have before, because it was very useful the way it was before. The bed the way it was, and I could take that box on and off and stuff. Very useful that way, but now it's going to last forever. I'm so happy. Anyway, guys, until the next video, we'll see you. Jumag and I will see you. And Willow. Right, little girl? Mwah. More? Mwah. 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 Good little girl.